How to become a web front-end developer in 2024? This is the Beginner's Bootcamp, and here I will take you by the hand from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. By the way, this is just a sample of what you will get on my course on Udemy, Become a Web Front-End Developer 2024 Beginner's Bootcamp. If you want to have the full version, head to my description link. What structure should your website have? So let's look at what structure our test site should have. The most common things we'll have on any website project we create are index HTML file and folders to contain images, style files, and script files. Let's create this now. Index.html. This file will generate and contain your homepage content, the text and images that people see when they first go to your website. So using your text editor, create a new file, call it index.html, and save it just inside your test site folder.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with sought-after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now. The ultimate beginner's guide in 2023. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.